And here we go. Here's the front of the little flash flood. More like a foam flood. More like clay. Up here comes the water now. There it is. And there it goes down the road. Slowing down there, but it's still moving. Got a little rapids up there. And there it goes down the road. Oh, looks like it broke through there. It's going across.